Practical accounting, the better way to learn.
Hi, we're back. This is the most important module that you're going to have up to now. I'm going to say that every time. This is on budgeting, and be sure to pay close attention to Professor Hillard. There's a lot of information here, but if you remember, it's all the same stuff. Professor Hillard?
And it's all about pizza.
We're in the same place. It's all about pizza.
Load up with pizza before you watch this one.
Grab a pizza and pay attention.
Welcome to the master budgeting process. Let's take a brief look at what's in store for you for this really important module. We're going to talk about how we're connecting topics and how we're using pizza and cheese across the chapters. You can carry your knowledge forward. We call this the bridge, and we'll go through that. We'll talk about planning processes. We'll introduce our new addition to our conceptual framework and how planning processes work, the behavioral aspects of planning and tops down versus bottoms up or participative budgeting, and the advantages and disadvantages of them. In our second sub-module, we're going to review a flow chart of the budgeting process. This is unique to practical accounting, and it's all color-coded. Descriptions over here. I'm not going to read it to you. I'll talk through it, but if you want to come back and read it, you'll have that. Then we're going to get into the computations, referring back to this flow chart so we can see where we are. In the sales budget, production budget, and purchases budget are on the first chart. In these, I'll be building these in Excel, showing you how to do it. When you're done, you can come back and rebuild these formulas. You can do practice puzzles on most of these, and then the solutions and extra templates are below. This is one of two really complex things, but we make it simple because it's all the same, and we'll show you conceptually why you're doing what you're doing as we're going along. Then we're going to add in direct labor, manufacturing overhead, cost of goods manufactured, and cost of goods sold, also with practice puzzles and solutions on the side. Then we're going to move on and do our income statement, contribution analysis, margin analysis, and capital budget, and conclude with the bottom one, which is cash receipts, which is collections and cash disbursements. Again, we're going to show you a very straightforward way to do this, but either on paper or in Excel, and that it is the same process. It's just cash coming in and cash going out is always after the sale or the purchase. So then we'll solve for financing required, give you a little bonus here with a balance sheet, and optional, obviously, causes a borrowing sheet that's in there. Again, on this, there are, to the right, practice puzzles, solutions, and extra templates on those as well. So hope to see you inside for the exciting budgeting chapter. You can get this Excel workbook and a whole lot more
Stuff at practicalaccounting.com.
See you there.